Hey guys, my name is Nikki. I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so I'm going to be doing an after dark clean with me. This is going to be the first one that I've ever done here on my channel, but it's really late. It's like 11 o'clock, I think. We had kind of a weird night. We ended up having frozen pizza for dinner. We all kind of hung out for a little while. Now everybody is asleep. My kitchen's still a mess. My living room's a mess. My floors are filthy. So I am going to power through and get this stuff done so that I can wake up to a nice clean house in the morning. I'm also going to fold a load of laundry and put it away because I don't want to be thinking about that in the morning either. So I'm going to show you what my house looks like real quick, and then I'm going to get to cleaning. Alright, so this is what we're starting with. Lots of crumbs on the counter, chips out, dirty pizza pan. We've got cups, random pot holders, huge mess over here. I need to put that pizza away, trash away, dishes in the dishwasher. This room is not bad, but that is a load of clean laundry that never made it past the inside of the door. It needs to go to the laundry room, get folded, and put away. These are also the floors that need a good vacuum and mop. And then in here in the living room, I need to do a tidy up and vacuum. You can see random drinks, blankets, pillows. Remote controls are out. Cords are strewn from people plugging devices and charging them. So I need to get busy. I'm going to be starting in the kitchen. First thing I'm going to do is put some of this random stuff put away, and then I need to put that pizza in the fridge. My kids, they will eat that for leftovers at some point. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to get everything in here cleaned up. I recently shared a video on how to clean and remove stains from a white sink. So if you've got a white sink, you definitely want to check that video out. Once I'm done cleaning my sink here, I'm going to move on to my favorite thing, which is to clean my kitchen counters. The product that I'm going to be using to wipe my kitchen counters down, I'm just going to use like a regular dishcloth that's wet, and then I'm going to be using a homemade granite cleaner from Clean Mama. I will leave a link to her website down below so that you can find that recipe. that the kitchen is all cleaned up, it is time to tackle this living room. It doesn't need a whole lot of attention, just some general tidy up. I'm not one to normally clean real late at night, but I have to admit I really enjoyed this. It was so nice to not have any interruptions. I was able to just clean and nobody came to see what I was doing or to ask me 20 questions. It was kind of nice. Tucker was not sure about Mama being in his room late at night. He was like, "What are you doing, woman? I'm trying to sleep." But anyway, I needed to fold this load of laundry. You guys, laundry is still my least favorite thing. I used to be really bad at laundry. I've tried lots of different routines over the year and I finally tweaked it and feel like I have it under control. I eventually got to where I was like a one load a day from start to finish every day kind of girl, but I've actually made even more changes and it's working a whole lot better. I do plan to share that in a video sometime soon, but it's going to be one of those videos where I kind of take you through the process and show you exactly what I do Monday through Sunday. So if that's something that you guys want to see, definitely let me know down below. Now it's time for me to tackle these floors. They needed to be vacuumed and they desperately needed to be mopped. You guys, I had a kid drop an entire peanut butter sandwich like open, face down on my kitchen floors today. It was a mess. I mean, we kind of cleaned it up, but there was still like sticky stuff just kind of everywhere. So the floors had to be tended to. I am one of those people that is really weird and really enjoys mopping my floors. I don't know, it's just one of those things that feels very satisfying to me and I just really enjoy it. I would like to know though, do you have a favorite floor cleaner that you like to use in your mop water? I like to use vinegar, but nobody in my family likes it when I use vinegar. I have been using like the Mr. Clean stuff that you can add, and I just use a very tiny bit. I've used Lysol in the past, not Lysol, Pine Sol in the past, things like that, but I'd really like to find something that's a little less harsh, so if you've got a favorite, let me know. once I finish vacuuming this rug, my house will be clean. It feels so good to know that I'm going to bed with a clean house. It's going to feel even better in the morning waking up to a completely clean house. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you team clean kitchen at night, or do you wait until the morning to clean up your kitchen? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this after dark cleaning video and got some motivation. If you enjoy cleaning videos, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please hit my face right there so that you can subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon.